Just giving you a close look at the pimento tree, allspice tree here in Jamaica. I just hear the birds in the background. I'm in the bushes, in the hills, and this is where I live. This is where I'm actually from. This is where all my family's from. But the natural environment is beautiful. Yeah, and ladies and gentlemen, this is the pimento leaf that you actually can use. The blossoms comes up right here, as you see, and the actual pimentos are forming. There are small pimentos there. Yeah. That's a pimento tree. That's how the pimento leaf looks. That's how the actual body look, the bark. And the fruits are slowly popping out from those white blossoms. And when they get ripe, you know it's full. And you can pick them green. The green one is what they usually use. And make allspice by crushing it. Remember, it's Rastafari soldier, you know. I am the Crocus Bag Farmer. Thank you for staying tuned with me. We're just covering the marvelous, marvelous pimento tree. Not everyone knows how the pimento tree looks. Okay? Bless. Remember to subscribe, like and share. If you like exotic plants, if you like natural food, herbs, spices, because that's what we're here to give you. And also if you like a beautiful scenery from Jamaica, there it is. Looking straight in the Western Hemisphere, Westmoreland. That's Black River down there. That green line of bush you see is Jamaica's national landmark right here. And that's Holland Bamboo. So if you like to come and see a beautiful, beautiful, natural, organic environment, listen to the birds singing in the background. That's not music, it's birds.